Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your FiberHome router. First, ensure your computer or mobile device is connected to the router, either through an Ethernet cable for a stable connection or via Wi-Fi. Next, you'll need the router's default IP address, which is commonly 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 10, 1. Open any web browser, type this IP address into the address bar, and press Enter to proceed. Once you've reached the router's login page, you'll need the correct credentials. Look for a sticker on the bottom or back of your FiberHome router. It usually lists the default username and password. Often, the default username is admin and the password is also admin. Carefully enter these into the respective fields on the login page and click the Login button to gain access. After successfully logging in, you'll see the router's administration interface. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your network status and connected devices. You can navigate to sections for Wi-Fi settings to change your network name or password. Additionally, advanced users can find options for port forwarding, firewall rules, or parental controls to customize their network further. To maintain a secure and efficient network, it's crucial to change your router's default login credentials right away. This prevents unauthorized access to your settings. Also, make it a habit to check for and install firmware updates, as these often include security patches and performance improvements. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. Keeping your router updated ensures optimal operation and protection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.